Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be using the Nomad by Juvia's once again, but I'll be using the smudge green. I'm really excited about this. Also, I need to talk about my hair because I went home yesterday, cut my hair again, bleached it, so I went shorter actually. I'm very excited. I'll do a full go around for you guys. I shaved it on the bottom part more and I cut it shorter because this stuff grew out so fast. So if it looked like brown, I bleached it like 3 or 4 times, y'all. My roots was black, so I had to bleach it, and y'all know the process. So this is where we're at. So I'm gonna bleach it again later, but I'm okay with this. But I went really short, and I absolutely love how this turned out. So let's just get right into this video because I'm ready to go. Okay, so I'm gonna start by moisturizing my face, y'all. And while I'm doing this, I gotta explain the last video. Yes, I went to the ER yesterday. No, was it? Yesterday was Saturday. I went to the ER Friday morning and I couldn't go to class because I kept coughing and I kind of like coughed up blood. And there was a lot of mucus. Sorry for grossing people out, but I had to, I gotta tell it. So I woke up and I just couldn't sleep that night. And the cough is still here, but it's slowly going away because I got treated for it. But turns out I had bronchitis. I was like, you know what? I just gotta go to the ER. I really didn't want to go. Cause it freaks me. The hospital freaks me out. It's actually the one I used to work at up there. So I went up there and she told me that I was really congested and a lot of people been getting it. I was like, okay, I got my first COVID test too, y'all. I never had a COVID test. I don't get COVID, but I got a COVID test, strep test, respiratory, like for my respiratory system. I got a chest x-ray. It was crazy. So, and I got a steroid shot in my butt. So that was fun. So yeah, we're gonna start by doing my brows. So I went up there and I was up there for like an hour and 30 minutes. And I went to go pick up my prescription and he told me the side effects. So I was like, okay. And I really can't like sleep. And that was part of it. Like you might have insomnia and I had a feeling. So I was like, okay. So I've been dealing with that, y'all. Just like all this health stuff. I just been coughing like crazy, dying over here. But it's getting better slowly. That's the good thing. It's just when I breathe in, I feel like I have to cough. So I'm taking medicine for it, but I do have bronchitis. I never had bronchitis. Like, what the heck? I don't get, like, I get sick, but I don't get, like, coughs. So, also, it's just this weather. I have a horrible immune system, y'all. So, yeah, I've been dealing with that and just trying to get over it. Because my mom is also sick. I feel like she gave me something. But anyways, I digress. It's just so weird going to the ER. And I told all my friends, they was like, girl, what's wrong with you? And I was like, girl, I feel like I'm like over here dying, trying to figure all this stuff out. I really didn't want to go to the ER because I didn't want the bill because I didn't have my insurance with me either, but they didn't really care. So, you know, they don't care. It's, I got handled it. So yeah, that's what happened. I went to the ER and I couldn't go to class. And I told my teacher, I was like, thank you, but I just couldn't go up there. So hopefully I'm okay for tomorrow because I'm going to class tomorrow. But anyways, I'm gonna go in with my concealer, guys, for my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using the Cool Tan, as always. I use this for my brows because it's light enough, and I use it also for my eyelids, for my eyeshadow. And I just really like using Pro LA Girl Concealer because it's really thick and it clean. Like you don't need a brush. It's perfect. So I'm just gonna finish my brows, guys. Okay, guys, now I'm done my eyebrows. I set it with the powder, the concealer. I use color Cool Tan, and I use my BH bronzer powder for my eyes. So I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow, which I will be using the Grunge green. I'm really excited because I just got this palette the other day and I only used one color in here. So I'll be using this one. I was looking at this the first time and I really wanted to see how it looks. So I'm getting my the brush that's really compact because it holds a lot of product. So let's see. Oh, this is actually really pretty. Look at that, guys. It looks really grunge too. I love this. So let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, this is like really like a good base, like a basic color, but make it your own. I think I like how dark and low key it is. Like it's like really grunge, like a grunge, legit like a grunge color, guys. And I think this would pair really cute with a gold inner crease color, like an inner corner color for your eye. Like some shimmer in the corner of your eye will really make this pop, and that's what I plan on doing. Okay, y'all, look at how this looks. So I went really high up with that. I'm about to blend this all out. So let's just see what happens, because I don't know how it's gonna look when I blend it. I think I might be good just blending on this one, but it's also because it's a little color in this brush. So I ended up taking my brown color from my 35M palette, because I need to mix this with like a brown color. I had to clean this brush a little bit. That's the consequences of not cleaning your brushes, that you have colors from like your other eye, which is not like what you don't want. Okay, so there was some change of plans. I finally fixed it, y'all. That took longer than I thought. First of all, this whole thing just told me I need to clean my brushes today, because I could not use my blending brush because it had color. So I ended up taking all the eyeshadow off, redoing it, using another brush, and here we go. I mixed it with another color, kind of like the grunge color I have. It's in my 35M. Just a little bit of this, and I just blended it, and I think it went well. So now we're gonna do this eyeliner, y'all, so I can finish my face. I used the NYX, I never know how to say that, the liquid eyeliner, because it's thick and it works perfectly. I absolutely love the color of the grunge eyeshadow though. This is so pretty. Okay, so now that I got that done, I always mess up on this one, so I'm not even gonna try it. I fixed it enough. I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I use a 355 Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm gonna put this all over my face. And this is the matte, so it dries like matte, so it's really, that's why I use a good concealer with this one. And you wouldn't even think that this one and the dewy, they're really different. The matte is like seriously matte, y'all. Like it's good to highlight your face so it don't look so dry. Okay, now that I'm done with that, we really gotta say that is a really good cover up. Like that covers a lot. I'm gonna use the Fawn and Toffee Concealer, Pro LA Girl Concealer. I always say this, I use the Toffee because it's a good blend, and the Fawn is like a really good tan. So it's a good mix of both. I always use two different concealers though, because I like the different shades that it blends into your skin. It looks really good. Especially if you have like a different, like a lighter concealer, like a lighter foundation sometimes. It helps with the tan. It really blends it all in. So I'm gonna blend all of this out. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I went on and set my face with my powder already, guys. I'm gonna contour the outsides of my face with the dark contour. I use my Ulta kit that I've been using for the longest. Yeah, I'm just in love with this cut. Like it's so much shorter, but like it looks so much better. I was really debating on if I wanted to cut it shorter, but my mom was like, girl, cut it. And of course, I listened. I'm such a child. But it looks amazing. And this blonde is everything. I just get, I can't let the black roots come in that much anymore. So, I don't know. Also, I went home because I had to go bleach it anyway. I wish I had to go help her with something, but I was like, let me go and bleach it because it's so hard bleaching your hair in the shower. So, I was like, let's kill a couple birds with a couple stones, whatever. So now I am going to go and we're gonna blush our face and put some highlighter on. I'm using the Blushing and Bali palette, my favorite highlight palette. And I'm gonna use the Coral because it's really light. We're gonna go light with that. Don't judge me that I did that with a blush brush, y'all. That's actually too much, and that's the problem. Easy fixes. So I'm gonna go and take the color from my eyeshadow, the one I've been using, the Grunge color, and I'm gonna put that under my eye. I gotta be careful because I feel like it's loose as always, the loose powder. And we're good. And nothing is showing up, so it is more of that color. Even a dark smoky brown would have been perfect under your eye. I just really wanted to do this though, because it looks amazing. Okay, so I went under more with it because I wanted to show more because it's really light when you do it on the under your eye, guys. So I went under like just a little bit under the lid more to just bring that out. So now I'm going to go in with my mascara. Actually, no. We got to do the corner of our eyes. I'm going to take the gold color from my highlighting palette, from my blushing and body palette. And I'm going to do the corner of my eye. I'm going to get this really, really bright gold. It's called Sun Kiss. And I'm going to put this in the corner of my eye. And I'm hoping it do what it did, what it's supposed to do. And it did, guys. I'm gonna go in with my mascara, do my lashes, put lip gloss, and we're gonna see the finished product after this, guys. Okay, and this is the finished look, guys. I absolutely love how this turned out. This is so pretty. The color is amazing. The gold really did make it pop. And I swear, you cannot go wrong with lip gloss with this, guys. I had to put the earrings on just to show you guys how it looks fully. So I hope you like it. I absolutely love it. I can't stop looking at it. It turned out really well, and I'm happy I redid it because the blending brush had the pink and the red on it. I couldn't use it, so I ended up just redoing it and just mixing it with that one other darker grudge green color kinda, and it really blended very well. So, and once again, the gold really make this pop. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at I am Tatiana Green, and I will see you guys on the next video.